Welcome to this CrewPro tutorial. Today we'll be showing you how to use the new customizable packing screens and a new way to pack items to make your packing process even quicker and easier. Before, the app had limited customization options regarding what is necessary for your company's packing process. Now, with the new update, what you want to view is in your hands. To customize your packing screen, go to the settings page and select Inventory Pack Screens option by tapping on the pen icon next to it. From here, you can add or remove buttons for different options, like scanning, lot number creation, MPro OCIE, packed by owner, or carrier disassemble. Simply select the buttons you want to appear on the screen and deselect the ones you don't need. This allows you to focus on what's important and get the job done faster. With this new feature, you can choose what you want to see on the packing screen. You can add or remove buttons based on what you need for specific jobs, which can make the packing process a lot quicker. Additionally, we've changed the way to pack an item or box. Now, you have only one button instead of two. You can select whether you want to pack an item or box simply by pressing one button. This new functionality simplifies the packing process and makes it faster and easier for you. To pack a new item or box, tap on the Pack Item button. Here you will find a new button to select whether you want to pack a box or an item with only one tap. If you want to pack an item, select the item icon and search for the item you want to pack. If you want to pack a box, select the box icon and search for the box you would like to pack. With this new customizable screen and a new way to pack items, you can make the packing process even more efficient and effective. Thank you for watching this CrewPro tutorial, and don't forget to download the latest update and start customizing your packing screen.